We're into the quick and dirty boat building in the 2018 Plastic and Wooden Boat Festival. One of the local shipwrights here is killing them. I think he's done it a few times before. How many times have you done a quick and dirty before, Katie?
Probably about eight or so.
Ah, just a little bit of advantage over the other teams. Done well. Good stuff. Look at this beast. Multi-chine.
It's going to be down to tin tacks. Now, who's the happy camper that gets in it tomorrow? You haven't thought about it yet? Jeez. I like it, I like it. Bunch of novices, and you're going to show them all up, aren't you? Let's be honest. So what are you waiting for now? The glue, the goo, as I call it.
We need to...
It'll work.
Came together, didn't it?
Yeah. It's done well.
Yeah.
Once you clean up the outside tomorrow, it'll look $1 million.
Yeah.
Yeah, it all helps. Get those holes filled.
Oh, we didn't pay for anything.
And how's the dog moran going?
Oh, it's now pig moran.
It's a pig moran. It's a boat in transition, I suppose.
Rat moran. Yeah, I like rat.
A pig moran. Well done.
What we've never seen before. It's an N1 marine.
Very technical work here. Very important. Can you come up with the name?
Rat moran.
Sorry?
Rat moran.
Rat moran.
Safety second.
Safety second. How long does that be? What's the old?
The SDS Endeavour, eh? So what's the team called?
Cut now, measure later.
Hey! This is the quick and dirty teams. These are the fellas from Young Endeavour. They've made a replica Young Endeavour. So we'll see how she goes, whether she sails as good as the real thing. How's this for a quick and dirty? We got the Young Endeavour. That's brilliant. Then we got the catamaran down here. Whoa! Way to go. Huh? And the girls were theirs, all bright orange. Whoa.
Now sink the others! Up here.
Pull the other ones back. Yeah, we're gonna lead.
They're off and running, they're quick and dirty. How many will sink before they get back? At least we got the rescue boat for them. We got the leader coming back.
Oh, the sexy women are there too.
Oh, we might be in third.
Woohoo!
Yes!
Here comes the Young Endeavour.
Zigzagging the way up and down. Come on, ladies!
Come on, Michael! Come on, Josie! Go, Sammy! Go! Well done, guys. Go, Josie! Go, Sammy!
Come on,
For line honours!
Woohoo!
Come on, Michael! Keep going, girls!
Well done, ladies. Okay, can everybody? I've got to get out. Yeah.
Well